Meaning of dishonorable.
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 Dishonorable. Dishonorable means lacking in honor, integrity, or moral principles. When someone engages in dishonorable behavior, they are knowingly violating ethical codes or expectations and acting in a way that is shameful or disgraceful. This type of behavior can lead to a loss of respect from others, damage to one's reputation, and potential legal consequences. Dishonorable actions can range from minor incidents of dishonesty to more serious offenses such as fraud, theft, or betrayal. Ultimately, engaging in dishonorable behavior can have significant negative consequences for an individual's personal and professional life.